our demands are on minimum wages, leave for the domestic workers when they are pregnant and all, social security for all of them, and especially for the migrants. The problem of migrants is the housing problem. Their jobs are not secured, so they employers can throw them anywhere, anytime they can say you get out. And the workers also, if they don't like the employers, they also say I get out and go. So there's no contract. We would in future, we would like to, after this registration is done, we would like to make contract with the workers and with the employer. So we want to see both the sides, the benefit worker as well as the employer gets it. And then our work, many of them don't get a day off. And many of them started getting the day off also, like weekly off. Then yearly off they are not getting, bonus they are not getting. So all these are our demands which are there. Then we have also other demands like minimum wages for everybody would be the same.
कि अपना संगठन साथियों आज करीब 1000 है, 2000 है, 3000 है, उसका आंकड़ा एक बरस के अंदर सफर बहुत दूर है, कम से कम 50,000 डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स है गोवा में। 50,000 छोड़ो 30,000 छोड़ो 20,000, लेकिन एक बरस के अंदर 10,000 का आंकड़ा खड़ा करना अपना फर्ज है।
ग्रॅज्युएटी हे जे कितें आसा तेंय मेळटले, पूण हो कायदो जावपाक जाय, अजून पर्यंत जावना। गव्हर्मेंटाच्या पार्लमेंटान तो येवपाचो आसा, पार्लमेंटान आयल्या नंतर तो तुमकां सगळ्यांक लागू जातलो आनी तेजे बेनिफीट तुमकां सगळ्यांक मेळटले।
सरकारा लागीं आमी एके जबरदस्तीन मागपाकूय शिकूंक जाय। आमचे डिमांड एके मोठ्या नात्यान आमी वावरूंक जाय। मेवतलो दितलो म्हणून आमी सदांच रावले, पूण केन्ना येतलें तिसरे पिळगेक रावपाचें हें साकार जावपाक, म्हणटकीर ह्या नदरेन आमी तर वावरिनात, एकवटीत तर आमी वावरिनात, हें आनीकूच वर्सां मुखार जातलें। त्या खातीर आमच्या वर्धान जे गोवा डोमेस्टीक युनियन तुमी घडलां, तांच्या सांगात तुमकां सांगात दिवपाक आनी तुमच्या मागण्यांक अदीक आवाज दिवपाक आमचो सगळो सहकार आसा।